Hi everyone, welcome to challenge number 16. Here is a question. Solve the below expression 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus so on up to plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 so on up to 100. There are 100 terms. First look at this concept. Sum of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So the above expression could be rewritten as the first term of the expression can be written as 1 into 2 divided by 2. The second term, that is 1 plus 2 in the expression, is sum of first two natural numbers. So that can be written as 2 into 3 by 2. The third term as 3 into 4 by 2, and so on. The last term can be written as the sum of first 100 natural numbers. That is 100 into 101 divided by 2. So that is equivalent to half multiplied by 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 so on up to 100 into 101. That could be rewritten as half multiplied by taking 2 common, 2 into 1 plus 3, plus taking 4 common in the next two terms, 4 into 3 plus 5. And the last two terms, we will take 100 common out of that, and 100 into 99 plus 101. That is equivalent to half multiplied by 2 into 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square plus so on up to 100 square. Well, so that is equivalent to half multiplied by 2 into 2 square. We will take 2 square common, multiplied by 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square plus so on up to 50 square. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So the above expression is equivalent to 4 multiplied by 50 into 51 into 101 divided by 6. So we have substituted n is equal to 50 in the above expression. So that is equal to 171,700.